You've been having hiccups, right? Then I guess you clicked on this video because you want to find out why you hiccup. Well, why do you hiccup? Well, it all starts in the diaphragm. It is located between your lungs and stomach. If your diaphragm is irritated by something, it can force you to suck air into your throat suddenly. And when it hits your voice box, it can make your vocal cords close suddenly, creating the sound that everybody knows. Hiccups can be caused by eating too much, eating too quickly, feeling nervous, feeling excited, drinking carbon-filled sodas or alcohols, stress, a quick sharp change in temperature, swallowing air. Also could be likely to happen while chewing gum or sucking candy.